Ciao a tutti and welcome to Nonna Gina's Food Adventures. I'm cooking octopus, but it will take 2 days. So this here is going to go into a brine. Just superb, beautiful color. They smell of the sea, they don't smell fishy, and that's what you're looking for. I got these at Shell Harbour Square Fish Market. They always have the freshest seafood. In here I have about 2 centimeters of cold water. If we need more, we'll add it later, and 1/4 cup of salt. We're going to add our tentacles in, just like that, making sure that they are all covered with the brine solution. And the last one goes in. Now that is plenty of water. As you can see, they are submerged, and that's exactly what we want. We want them to stay in there for at least 24 hours. So I'm going to just cover these, put them in the fridge, and I'll see you in 24 hours. Ciao. So it's been 24 hours that our octopus has been in the brine in the fridge. So now it's time to cook them. I've got a big pot, and it's only got about 3-4 cups of water in there because the octopus will release a lot of water. And in the water, I'm going to add half a lemon. Just throw it in. We're not going to put any salt because it was brining in a salt solution. I'm going to put about that much parsley, just picked it out of the garden, in there. It's come up to the boil, and we're going to add our tentacles in one at a time. And the last one, we're going to let this come up to a boil, then simmer it for about 45 to 50 minutes. And we're back. The octopus cooked for about 50 minutes, and then I just let it sit in the water for about another 5 minutes. So I'm going to take this off, and I'll let you see all the tentacles. I'm just going to take them out, put them on a plate, and let the rest of the water drain. And the last one. Using my trusty click-clack. There we have it. They're all out. They've just got to cool down a little bit. They're going to drain the rest of the water, and then I'll show you exactly what I do with them. The octopus tentacles have all drained away. I've given them a little bit of a clean up. Just underneath, they've got a little bit of skin there. I took that away. Now my griddle is screaming hot, and that's what you want. I'm going to just drizzle them a little bit with extra virgin olive oil. And this is the way Gad loves to eat them. That's what you're looking for. Don't overcrowd your pan. You really want it to give it enough room till you get a really nice sear and you get those grill marks on there. Just get a plate, transfer them on. Don't be tempted to move them, just let them go. for about a minute each side, or until you've got nice grill marks on there. I nearly went in. Okay, that's been a minute. Let me see. Oh, wow. Look at that. Beautifully charred. Nice. Beautiful, look at that. Lovely. Nice. And another minute. And the last two. And that's the last one done. Look at that char. There we go. Now we're ready to put everything together. So we get our tentacles and we're going to give them a really nice dice at about so big, and we're just going to put them into a bowl. Oh, it's just like butter. There we go. I just want to show you how soft they are. Just a fork, no knife. Oh, that is so good. These are that tender that you can cut them with a fork because they are so fresh. So if you live in the Illawarra, head down to Sharba Square Fish Market and grab yourself some of these tentacles. They are just so good. And the last one. I'm just going to have a quick clean up and then we'll be back to the best part of this, is getting it ready for us to eat. Now, I've just got 3 cloves of garlic and I'm not going to mince them. I'm just going to cut them in half, so if they're big, into thirds, just so as they get the flavor of the garlic, but we don't eat it. So this one's quite large, so I'll do that into 4s actually, and that one there in that. And we're going to put our parsley. Don't forget, use the stalks as well. They are delicious. Just a rough chop, not too fine. And our peperoncino, our hot chili. So I'm just going to cut this probably in about 3 pieces. If you don't want it as hot, Just get rid of the seeds in the membrane because that is the hottest part. But we don't mind the heat. In 4s, and in we go. And I'm going to give it a really good grounding of pepper. Nice fresh pepper is beautiful with this. And lots of extra virgin olive oil. There we go. That was probably about 3 tablespoons. There we go. Give it a good toss. Oh, this looks so good. Normally, I would let this sit like this in the fridge for about, about an hour or so. So the garlic and the chili and everything can melt together, but I can't wait. So I'm gonna have a taste. I'm gonna dive in. Let's do this. Oh. It is so tender, and you don't need any salt because I've brined it overnight and it's just got this beautiful flavour. Yeah, Gav, do you want to taste?
Yeah.
Here you go. I'll give him a couple of bits. Camera shy Gav. Tell me what you think.
Yum.
Go and try this. Don't forget, if you're in the Illawarra, go and get them from Shell Harbour Square Fish Market, just in the packets with just the tentacles. That is amazing. Thank you for watching Nonna Gina's Food Adventures. If you'd like to see more of my videos or any of my recipes, don't forget, hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Ciao.